Kia K8 large sedan looks elegant. Offers V6 and AWD.
Please support us by pressing the like button and subscribing so that this channel will grow and provide many benefits for you. And don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you get notification updates about the latest videos from us. Thank you.
Kia just killed off its Cadenza large sedan in the US, which means we aren't likely to get its replacement. Called the K8, the Cadenza was called the K7 globally. And that's a shame, because the K8 features an elegant design and looks like it could be a worthy competitor to sedans like the Lexus ES. The K8 is slightly longer than the car it replaces. It continues with a front-wheel drive, transverse engine layout but now offers all-wheel drive as an option with the top engine choice. A 3.5-liter V6 with 296 horsepower. Less powerful 2.5-liter and turbo 1.6-liter inline-four engines are also offered. An 8-speed automatic is standard with the 3.5 liters and 2.5 liters engines. The company says that many of the K8's design details, such as the interesting pattern grille treatment and the angular taillights, will make their way onto other upcoming Kia models. The K8 is also the first Kia to feature the company's new logo. The block letters are prominently displayed on the hood and trunk lid. In the US, the 2022 Kia Carnival minivan is the first car in the US to get this new emblem. Inside, the K8 features two 12.0-inch screens, one serving as a digital gauge cluster and the other as the central infotainment display. The car will go on sale later this year, starting in South Korea first. But don't hold your breath for it to ever arrive on our shores.
Thanks for watching.
Drop a like. Leave a comment.
And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.